Melanie Black is here with more on this.
Don't we all love to see that sunshine and love to feel the low humidity? That's what we have for us today. So today is a dry one. Great to do anything outdoors. Tomorrow we bring back the mugginess, and we also have to watch for the chance for some storms. As we look at our dew point trend today, it's in that 50s category. So that's that dry, comfortable range. But what you're going to notice later on this evening, it starts to feel a tad bit more muggy. And then tomorrow we're back in that tropical feel. Luckily, it's short-lived because dew points are going to tumble to start the early part of the work week. Dew points across the country, upper 60s, low 70s. So that's the humidity. It is on another side of a front. Today we have high pressure nearby. That's promoting the dry and sunny conditions for us. It's going to slide out of here, and then a warm front's going to make its way toward us tomorrow morning, bringing the chance for some showers and storms for some of us. The humidity is going to be around for us tomorrow, and then out ahead of a cold front, we bring in a second round for some storms. So because we're getting a transport of more water vapor tomorrow, there is an excessive rainfall chance, so a marginal, which means low-end risk of flash flooding is possible. And I think for that localized flash flooding, it's really going to be highlighted across parts of southeast Mass come tomorrow morning. Now, the second round of storms could be on the stronger side, so we have been upgraded to a level 2 out of 5 risk for some storms to turn severe, so it's scattered at that. And I think this is going to be in the afternoon and evening. The biggest threat is going to be damaging wind gusts, but also a risk for hail, and with any storms, there's always that risk for lightning. Future forecasts, we won't be tracking anything today. Just some clouds mixing in with some sunshine at times, and it's going to remain dry. Now, through the overnight, we gain some clouds, and come tomorrow morning, we'll be talking about some heavy rainfall. It looks like a batch is really going to slide across southeast Mass, so especially the south coast, Cape Cod, and the islands. At this point, I think this is when we can expect some downpours with this. We'll get into some sunshine for the afternoon. This is going to help to destabilize the atmosphere. Keep it in mind this time, it's also going to be humid as well. So through the early afternoon, say past 1, 2 o'clock, we start to watch for that cold front firing off some scattered storms, and that will continue to slide through the southeast through the evening. Once we get past sunset, I think most of that threat is going to wind down. We look at temperatures now. We're in the 70s. Feels great out there. 72 in Boston. There's not a whole lot of wind, but the wind should be on shore, so that'll keep temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s this afternoon, while along the inland spots, that's where we head for the low to mid 80s. Overnight, we're in the upper 60s, low 70s. It's a mild night for us, and then come tomorrow morning, it could be even warmer. If you get more sunshine with that mild start, then you can pop into the upper 80s, possibly touching that 90-degree mark. Keep in mind it'll be humid, so it's going to feel a bit warmer for us. Comfortable to start the week, but the heat, humidity, and the chance for storms creeps back in Thursday and Friday.
First, we want to toss it over to Melanie Black. Lots of sunshine today.
It's so great to see, isn't it? We started off really nice, too. It almost felt cool with temperatures falling in the upper 40s, low 50s for some of us. And now we're making some ground with our temperatures. We're all in the 70s. It's currently 72 in Boston, 73 in Worcester. Our dew points are in that comfy range for a lot of us, so it still feels refreshing out there in the 50s for dew points. A little bit more on the muggy side across far southeast Mass in the 60s. There's not a lot of wind out there, and it will be on shore for us today, playing a role with our coastal temperatures. Visible satellite, though, doesn't get better than this with abundant sunshine. Just a few clouds, some high clouds, I think, more for the second half of the day, but otherwise mainly sunny. We look at our temperature trend, and we'll make it into the low to mid 80s inland for this afternoon, and temperatures will stay in the upper 70s, low 80s for the coast. Today is a dry one. Watching this area of low pressure working through the Midwest, this is what's going to bring us some storms come tomorrow. So we'll talk more about that timing, what to know for the rest of your weekend plans ahead.
We are following